Here we are today with our Dutch Flemish garden vibey rendition of that trend you're seeing everywhere. A loose garden vibe, yet a little bit controlled, not just a pile of weeds. It's a beautiful design for a head table for any event. Oh, you know, you have not spoken of your flower shop in Albany, and sometimes these go to millions of people.
Blooms by Marie.
Blooms by Marie. And she was a nurse for 35
years.
35 years? Oh my God, as long as I've been doing flowers. And she quit to do flowers. How's it going?
It is very busy. It is very busy.
She's a success.
And I'm loving this class because it's given me so much insight to take back to Albany, the New York style from Michael Gaffney.
Yeah, and what's the name again?
Blooms by Marie, 811 Madison Avenue, Albany, New York.
Blooms by Marie. She's fantastic, and she's kicking out this Dutch Flemishy style design. She likes this one. She'll take it back to Albany. No, this woman does some big things, and she's very successful. She told me her big ticket item was a box of roses, a hat box full of roses on Valentine's Day. I believe it. Flower School 101. Keep going, Marie. Blooms by Marie. Get it? If you're in Albany, see her. Amazing.